Good morning, everyone. This is Croft again, aka Cyberholic, aka Carlos, under heavy medication and a positive COVID virus test. So once again, excuse me if I struggle to breathe or speak sometime, but yeah, life goes on. So this video is going to be Cyberholic version 2.0. 2.1.0. Jesus. The jump is, why is there a jump from 1.1.11 where we were to 2.0 or 2.x? The reason, the reason is that in one of my first videos I explained to you that everything under the parent 1.x is going to be about websites. About the websites that I create. So 1.1 is about Cyberholic, and 1.2 is about Inoxed. That's a skate website project that I started many years ago. It's dead, and I want to reanimate it with Winter CMS. And version 2. Whatever is going to be about CMS systems in general. Currently, I'm working with Winter CMS, but as I know Joomla, as I know WordPress, and as I know a little bit of Typos 3. Whenever I encounter something that I find interesting, I'm going to create videos for these CMS systems. So this is Cyberholic version 2.1. Yeah, we are going to put Winter CMS under 2.1. And this is going to be video 2.1.0. Jesus Christ. And what it's about. It's about one important step, to be honest. When you install Winter CMS for the first time, you should set it up. What should you set up? You should set up your mail configuration because, let's say, and that's what happened to me like 10 minutes ago, I forgot my password. I knew my login credential as user, but I forgot my password. So the first thing that you do is you go to forgot your password, and then it's going to ask you for your username, how you log in. And obviously I filled it out, but after like a timeout of 20 seconds or so, it said that Mailgun is not set up. And I have not set up Mailgun. For those of you who don't know what Mailgun is, let's call it some kind of solution, a service that allows you to use an mail server to whatever your needs. Sorry. So in this case, what we are going to do is there are two ways. We are just going to take a look into the back of the mail settings. I'm sorry. COVID is killing me. Wrong password. Jesus Christ. So this is what happens when you forget your password and you can't log inside it. One solution that I found many months ago with October CMS was to go into the database with PHPmail admin and add a new admin in there. Activate that admin in the admin group and then log in with that admin credentials and reactivate my my first user. So that's a little bit complicated. It works, but okay. To avoid all of this struggle, what you should do is when you install Winter CMS, the first thing that you should do, I think I do it in this third or fourth video of the Cyberholic series, is to adapt the backend to your needs. Meaning especially the editor. Here on the top right, where you have the your user settings, there you can change the backend preferences, and in here you can adapt the editor to your needs. That's the first thing. And the second thing that you should do, or vice versa, depending on how important you feel the things or see the things, is under settings, go to mail configuration. There it is. And here you will have the possibility to choose between several email connections. So the sender name is not going to be Winter CMS, obviously, it's going to be Cyberholic. This setting is like, maybe I'm certainly going to do later on show you how you can send mails using these mail templates together with the mail branding in Winter CMS, what is fantastic. So these settings that we are changing here is like, if you use any of the Winter CMS mail sending options, then it's going to get the starting the starting data from here. So the sender mail is going to be no reply at cyberholic.es. And then here under mail method, the minimum what you could do is, where is it here? PHPmail. That's the minimum thing that you could do, and it's going to work right out of the box. So if you use PHPmail, it's the standard send mail thing from PHP, then you should be fine. Otherwise, what I prefer always is like a SMTP connection. For this, I created my own SMTP connection. Sorry. So in my case, it's smtp.strato.es, and under SMTP authorization, you enter your username and your password. What I'm not going to do now for security purposes. But the thing is, as you can see here, as I'm saying, hey, there's an SMTP authorization required, this means that if anyone tries to somehow hack into your website, or if you use an unsecure solution with the PHPmail option, once that this is activated, and I think that in theory, anyone could then send mails through your website and spam whoever she wants, etc. So I don't know anything about Mandrill nor Mailgun. But I think for me, as a script kiddie and noob, this seems to be the most secure way. So So before any email is going to be sent out through the send mail within Winter CMS, he's going to authenticate it. So that's the safest way to do so. Okay, so you should set this one up, and once that you have set it up, you can't just use the integrated mailing options, but also the forget password in the login section is going to work out of the box. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.